Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will do this coaster. It's a 3¼ inch across, which is about 8 centimeters, and for this project I will use again crochet thread number 15, which is 50 grams is 333 meters, and crochet hook 1.25 millimeters. So we'll start with a slip knot, then we'll chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring, and now we'll chain 3 for the first double crochet and then chain 2 for chain 2 space, and into the ring we will do the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet and chain 2 again and a double crochet. So the pattern for this first round is chain 2 and double crochet into the ring. I work over this tail so that I don't need to sew it in later. And what we need in this first round is 8 these double crochets. So we have 2, 4, 5, chain 2, that's 6, chain 2, 7, chain 2 and 8, chain 2, and we will slip stitch into the third chain. Like that. Now chain 2 and into the same place that we slip stitched in we will do 2 double crochets, and into the each of the chain 2 spaces we will do 3 double crochets. That's 2 and 3, and into the each double crochet around we will do 2 double crochets. That's 1 and 2. So 3 double crochets into the chain 2 space, 1, 2, 3, and into the double crochet of the previous round 2 double crochets, and repeat this around. So here we have our last chain 2 space. We need to do 3 more double crochets. It's 1, 2 and 3. Now we will slip stitch into the first double crochet. Okay. Slip stitch into the next double crochet. So now we will chain 3, and in each of the next 4 double crochets we'll do double crochet. 2, 3 and 4. So now we have, counting this chain 3 as the first double crochet, we have 5 double crochets. Chain 3, and into the each of the next 5 double crochets of the previous round we will do a double crochet. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 3 again, and repeat this pattern around. In the each of the next 5 double crochets we will do a double crochet, then chain 3, and again 5 double crochets, chain 3, 5 double crochets. So at the end we will have 8 groups of 5 double crochets with chain 3 between. Okay, so chain 3 and slip stitch into the third starting chain. Okay. round number 4, chain 3 as the first double crochet and double crochet into the next 4 double crochets. So again we will have a group of 5 double crochets, and now in the previous round we did a chain 3, now we will chain 5, 3, 4 and 5, and again 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and repeat this pattern around. So to end this round 4, slip stitch into the third chain. Start round number 5, chain 3 for the first double crochet and double crochet into the next 4 double crochets. So again we have a group of 5 double crochets. In the previous round we chained 5, now we will chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again double crochet into the next 5 double crochets. 3, 4. To end the round 5, slip stitch into the third chain. Slip stitch into the next double crochet, and we will start our last round, round number 6. Chain 3 for the first double crochet and into the next 2 double crochets we will do 1 double crochet. So in this round we will have a group of 3 double crochets. Now we will chain 5, 2, 3, 5, skip the next double crochet and we will single crochet into the chain 7 space. Chain 5, 3, 4, 5, skip first double crochet and let's make a double crochet into the next 3 double crochets. So that's 1, 2, 3. Chain 5, single crochet into the chain 7 loop, chain 5, again skip first double crochet into the next 3 double crochets, again chain 5 and repeat this pattern around. Chain 5, single crochet into the chain 7 loop, chain 5 and slip stitch into the third chain. Chain 1 and we can cut the thread and fasten off. So as I said, it's a very fast tutorial, and these coasters are very fun to make. So now I have a match of 3, and I think this is a great idea, even if you make them in colors for a gift. Just made a set of 6 and they're a great gift for a birthday or whatever. If you want to make them a little bit bigger, just use a crochet thread 10 and a bigger size of a hook, like 1.6, 1.75 millimeters, and they will be, let's say, for about a half inch bigger. So if you're a first time here and you like this video, please subscribe to my channel